Chapter 7 Tables and Graphics in MS Word. Recapitulation. MS Word is used to type the word, sentence or letter. Selecting, editing, cut, copy and pasting of text can be easily done. MS Word allows to change font, size and color of the text. We can highlight any text to give it importance. Center right or left alignment of text is also possible. Undo and redo helps to delete or repeat any changes done to a document respectively. Central idea. Insert a table, add, delete row and column. Merging and splitting of cells. Table formatting. Move the table. Converting existing text to a table. Correcting spelling and grammar. Inserting picture, resizing an image and cropping an image. In the previous class, you have learnt about formatting a document, such as selecting text, changing font and font size, color and highlighting text. This makes your document more attractive. Now, you would learn about various tools of the table. Inserting a table. A table is made up of rows and columns. Each individual rectangle is called as a cell. The vertical series of cells is called column and horizontal series of cells is called row. Table is used to organize and display data in a systematic manner. Inserting a table in a document. Let's perform the following steps to insert a table in the document. Step 1. Place your mouse pointer on the page where you want the table to insert. Step 2. Select the Insert tab. Step 3. Click the Table command from Tables group. Step 4. Move over the boxes 4 into 3, row into columns, and click mouse button or press Enter on the keyboard. As you drag the mouse pointer on the grid, the table appears in the document. Now enter data in the cells as shown in the image given below. Note, use arrow keys to move between the cells, boxes in the table. Note, when you insert a table, two new tabs, Design and Layout, under the Table Tools category appear on the ribbon. Adding a new row. New rows can be added in the table. Step 1. Move the mouse near the location outside the left part of the table between the rows where you want to add a row. Step 2. At the separation line between two rows, a plus sign in a circle appears. Step 3. Click on plus sign. A new row will appear in the table. Adding a new column. New columns, as you add new rows, can be added in the table. Step 1. Move the mouse near the location outside the top part of the table between the columns where you want to add a column. Step 2. At the separation line between two columns, a plus sign in a circle appears. Step 3. Click on plus sign. A new column will appear in the table. Alternate method 1. Right-click on a cell where you want a new row or column in the table. Click on the Insert option. It will display various options related to rows and columns options. Select the required option. Step 1. Right-click on a cell in the table and select Insert from the menu. Step 2. Select the required option. Alternate method 2. To insert a new row. To insert a new column. Step 1. Place the cursor in the row or column before or after which you want to add a new row or column. Step 2. Click Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the required option. Delete a row or column. You can also delete a row or column from an existing table. Step 1. Place the cursor in the row or column which you want to delete. Step 2. Click Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the required option. After selecting the Delete Columns option, the column will be deleted. Keyboard shortcuts to move the cursor in the cell. Press Tab key to move the cursor to next cell in a row. Press Shift plus Tab to move the cursor to the previous cell in a row. Press Alt plus Home to move the cursor to the first cell in a row. Merging of cells. When you combine two or more cells of a table located in the same row or column, it is called merging of cells. For example, you can merge several cells horizontally to create the table heading. Note, use the table created in last topic and add a new row at the top before first row. Now, the table will look like as shown alongside. Now, let's learn to merge the cells. Step 1. Select the cells you want to merge. Step 2. Under Table Tools, on the Layout tab, click Merge Cells. All the selected cells merges to one cell. Enter text in the merge cell, that is, Student Record. Splitting of cells. You can split a cell or range of cells in a table into multiple cells. For example, let's split a column in the existing table. Step 1. Select the column using mouse drag that you want to split. Step 2. Under Table Tools, on the Layout tab in the Merge group, click Split Cells. Note, to split a single cell, click in the cell and then perform the splitting action. Step 3A. Uncheck this checkbox. Step 3B. Enter the number of columns that you want to split the selected columns into and press OK button. After splitting the column, you can enter data in new column also. One column has been split into two columns. Move the table. When you click on the table, you notice a plus sign at the top left corner. This is called the Table Move handle. This is used to select the complete table also. A small hollow square at the bottom right corner of the table is called the Table Resize handle. To move the table, place the mouse pointer on the Table Move handle until mouse cursor turns into a plus sign. Now, drag the table to any part of the document and then release the mouse button. To resize the table, place the mouse pointer on the Table Resize handle until mouse cursor turns into a double-headed arrow. Now, drag the table boundary. As you drag, you see dotted lines that indicate the size of the table. Release the mouse button when you get the desired size. Table formatting. Now, let us make the table attractive and easy to read by formatting the table and its information. Any cell in the table can be formatted using the various options available in Design tab of Table Tools. Step 1. Click anywhere on the table. Step 2. Select the Design tab. Step 3. In the Table Styles group, click the More drop-down arrow to see all available table styles. Step 4. Select the desired style. Selected style is applied on the table. Adding borders to a table. Step 1. Select the cells or complete table by clicking on Table Move handle you want to add a border to. Step 2. From the Design tab, select the desired line style, line weight and pen color. Step 3. Click the Borders drop-down arrow. Step 4. Select the desired border type from the menu that Converting existing text into a table. Word can convert information, that is data, separated with tabs into a table by using the tabs to separate the data into columns. Step 1. Select the text to convert. Step 2. From the Insert tab, click the Table command. Step 3. Select Convert Text to Table from the drop-down menu. Step 4. A dialog box will appear. Choose one of the options in the Separate Text At section. Step 5. Click OK. Correcting spelling and grammar. Are you worried about making mistakes when you type? Don't be. Word provides you with several text proofing features, such as spelling and grammar tool, which can help you produce professional error-free documents. MS Word has a dictionary on the computer. This dictionary consists of a lot of English words. When it does not understand the names of people, places, or words, it shows a red line. For example, type the following text in your document. Red line. Here you typed the word computer, incorrect in your document. Do you see a red line on the screen? The red line means that the computer does not have this word in computer dictionary. Now, you can make correction by following way. Step 1. Right-click on the word computer. Step 2. Click on the correct spelling for the word that matches this word. Now, type the next line. Step 1. Right-click on the name. Red wavy line appears under the name because computer does not know this word. Step 2. Click on Ignore All. The computer doesn't know the names of people, but we can ignore this mistake. Now the computer knows that Arush is not a mistake. Inserting picture from file. Pictures are a great way to illustrate important information or add decorative accents to existing text. They can improve the overall appearance of the document. Let's learn to insert a picture which is saved as a file in the computer. Note, you can type the text from your English textbook or open a file. Step 1. Place the insertion point where you want the image to appear. Step 2. On the Insert tab, click on Pictures and select this device option. Step 3. In the Insert Picture dialog box, select the desired image file and then click Insert. The image is inserted in the document. Resizing an image. Click and drag one of the corner sizing handles. The image will change size while keeping the same proportions. If you want to stretch it horizontally or vertically, you can use the side sizing handles, corner sizing handles, side sizing handles. Cropping an image. When you add a picture in Word, you may get some unwanted part in it and you want it to be removed. You can use Crop tool to remove an unwanted part of the picture. To crop an image, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the image that you wish to crop. Step 2. Select Crop from the Format tab. Step 3. Cropping handles will appear around the image. Click, hold and drag a handle to crop the image. Step 4. After dragging, click outside to crop the image. Image adjustments. MS Word offers several options for changing the way images appear in your document. For example, you can add a frame, make image corrections, change the image's color or brightness, and even add some stylish artistic effects. These options are available in the Adjust and Picture Styles groups in the Format tab. Select the picture and choose one of these options from the Format tab.